What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to bring you a Porsche how-to, and I'm going to show you how to set up your phone via Bluetooth and or Apple CarPlay. I'm sitting in a 2025 Porsche Macan. Check out that interior, looking beautiful. And I just thought I would kind of show you guys how to pair up your mobile device to your PCM, your Porsche Communication Management. Without further ado, let's just get right into that. I'm going to show you how to pair the phone, how to manage phones, like delete them, things like that, and then show you where to go to switch between phones. So starting first and foremost, I'm on my PCM home screen here. I have settings opened on my phone. So where I'm going to want to go first, I'm going to go phone. Then from here, I'll hit search for new phone. Then I'm going to go to Bluetooth, see if I can get that bad boy to focus. Bluetooth. Now that is open, you'll see Brandon's iPhone there. That's your boy. So we're going to wait for that to register. So we'll select it. I'm going to get a pairing request on my phone. We're going to hit pair, then allow for contacts. Then it's going to say connecting to Brandon's iPhone. We're going to give it a second. And here in about 10 seconds or now, you're going to get the prompt for CarPlay. So we're going to use CarPlay. We're going to come to the PCM screen and we're going to hit Apple CarPlay. I'll then hit accept. And then you'll get to this screen and then it will activate here in just a moment. Let's give it a second to do so. Okay. If it does not, like this is taking a while here, I'll then select use CarPlay. Again, give it a second. It's loading. I promise it will work. Drum roll. There we go. So it'll say connection to iPhone lost. That's okay because we're now connected to Apple CarPlay. Okay. So Apple CarPlay, let me just that brightness there for you. Apple CarPlay allows you to use Siri to call, text, get directions, add stuff to your calendar, even get the score of a game. If I want to use Siri, I can say, hey Siri. And she'll pop up just like that. Okay. Or I can come to the left side of my steering wheel controls and push and hold this face icon for about 3 seconds. And I get the same prompt. Okay. So that is your Apple CarPlay. With Apple CarPlay, when it's active, if I go to the phone icon, it's going to give me this message. Okay. It's going to say Apple CarPlay is active. Use CarPlay to make phone calls or switch to the PCM, which is your Porsche's Bluetooth. Okay, so you can use one or the other. They run parallel to each other. So if you're using CarPlay, the PCM for making phone calls is deactivated so that it focuses solely on CarPlay. So this is where you would switch back and forth. So if I hit use PCM, it'll switch over and you'll see connected to iPhone there. And then I can go through my contacts, calls, and etc. So if I hit home, there's no CarPlay no longer on the left-hand side. So if I want to reactivate Apple CarPlay, I'm going to select devices and you have to swipe. So you may not see devices here on the left-hand side. Excuse me, sorry, I moved that over too much. You'll swipe up, devices, you'll see everything in here. So you'll see phone, music, data, app, and link. Okay, link is going to be where your Apple CarPlay is. So if I want to switch, I would select Apple CarPlay and it will switch on over. This is also where I can manage my devices. So if I want to delete a device, I can hit the hamburger menu. Then I can go to delete paired devices. I can select that and then I can check the boxes I want to delete. So if I click it, the little check will pop up, then I hit delete. Okay. And then from there, if I hit connection manager, I can connect a new phone. So I can select connect new phone, connect, then it will take me to my discovery page for Bluetooth. So that is a helpful tip there. When using CarPlay, only one phone can be what I called the captain of CarPlay and or the captain of Android Auto if you have an Android device. So just keep in mind, if two people are in the car, there's no rhyme or reason. It's going to connect to whoever's quickest on the draw. So whoever's phone connects first, there's no rhyme or reason. It's just going to connect to one. This is where you would come to switch between those devices there. Okay. And you can only have one phone for CarPlay. So the other phone's kind of has to be hands-free or handheld. And the other one is the CarPlay. So if we do not use CarPlay, you'll notice that this is both lit up green here. If I have another phone paired, I can have both phones paired for phone, but one for music. So that's kind of nice. So both of you can take calls while you're in your vehicle, and you're not just limited to one phone. So that's just a little tip there. Hopefully this video helps. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments with video suggestions. Maybe I don't have something on the channel that you would like to see about your Porsche, about your Mercedes, or about your Audi. If that's the case, drop it down in the comments. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. We're on the road to 500. I can't thank you guys enough for tuning in. Cheers, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.